Is it the right time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has identified Netflix as a strong buy candidate with a score of 6.39. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.69%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.28% since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 16.31% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 10.45% and 23.21%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential 44.38% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 13.48% and 49.25%. This means that the stock price could range from $558.54 to $734.58 after a year. Our latest update on Netflix focuses on the stock price. According to the latest reports, the stock price of Netflix has shown a positive trend after Tuesday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 23, 2024, the Netflix stock price increased by 1.33%. It went up from $485.71 to $492.19. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations, ranging from a low of $481.40 to a high of $498.96, which represents a 3.65% difference. Although the stock price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, it has still managed to gain 1.48% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume of shares traded on the last day also increased along with the price. In fact, there were 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately 13 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $6.43 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached was $503.27, while the lowest price was $285.33. As of now, the current price is 2.2% lower than the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $11.08. Moreover, it is also 29.79% lower than the all-time high, which was achieved on November 17, 2021 when the price soared to $700.99. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Goldman Sachs reported a neutral grade for Netflix with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley gave Netflix an overweight grade with a hold action. UBS also gave Netflix a buy grade with a hold action on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. In another report on the same day, Wedbush rated Netflix as outperform with a hold action. However, on Thursday, January 18, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Netflix a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Netflix stock a strong buy rating across multiple factors. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and price-to-book ratio as another strong buy. Additionally, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Netflix stock. The moving averages for both short and long-term periods are indicating buy signals, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $485.70 and $477.32. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. It's worth noting that the volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. On the downside, some negative signals have emerged, which might impact the stock's near-term development. Recently, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a minus 0.572% drop so far. It is expected to decline further until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which also gave a sell signal 23 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands indicator provided a buy signal 23 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal 14 days ago. Now, if we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we can observe that the short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average is in line with this trend, as it generated a buy signal 57 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy position 47 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Today, let's take a closer look at support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. Netflix has found support from accumulated volume at $486.12. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when it is being tested. With controlled movements and good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Looking at the recent data, Netflix has shown a daily price range of $17.56, or 3.65%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.32%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Netflix, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Moving on to other updates, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 16, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Netflix. If Netflix shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $492.23. If you're not invested yet, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. For those who already own Netflix shares, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if Netflix experiences a decline, it will encounter its initial support level at $486.12. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Netflix from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Kilgore Leslie J. made an insider purchase of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Similarly, on January 2, 2024, Newman Spencer Adam bought 3,113 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Haley Timothy M. also conducted an insider purchase of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, on January 2, 2024. Barton Richard N. joined the insider purchases on January 2, 2024, buying 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. In addition, Dopfner Matthias purchased 133 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, on January 2, 2024. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -14.705. Overall, insiders have bought 90,724 shares and sold 123,438 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $474.16, which is a decrease of 3.66%. This stock experiences low daily movements, making it a low-risk option. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 22 days ago. Is Netflix stock a good buy? Netflix shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock, changing it from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 24th, we predict Netflix to open with a decrease of $1.34, starting at $490.85. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and wish you a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.